Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add more ads to your YouTube video. A couple of different ways that you can do this. If it is, I guess, any length of time, you can come here to the Monetization tab, click on, make sure that it's on. You can choose the type of ads that you'll see, as well as the before and after. Now, of course, if this is over 8 minutes, as of 2023 when I'm recording this, you can't have mid-roll ads again if it's over 8 minutes long. And let's go ahead and jump into the editor over here and I can show you how to add more ads. So now here you can see that we have the video and it's screen recording. Let's go ahead and over here, there are a couple different ways that you can get into this. You can either go over here to where you have the little sign or the dollar sign and you can hit edit, or up here you can go to ad breaks and click edit. And then to add an additional ad, what you would do is, let's say you want to add one at 2 or 1:30. You would go and you'd click on the time, and then you can add an ad break there. Now you can, once this is added, you can move that around, but you have to click on the blue to make sure that it would move around. It can be a little tricky, but here you can see that it is moving. If you wanted to move around the other ads, you would just click here. If you wanted to delete an ad, you would click on that specific ad. So right now I'm on the 5-minute ad, and then I would click the trash icon over here to delete it. Once you are done, go ahead and hit save. And there you go. You have successfully added another ad to your video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.